Welcome to Mr. Leo English Channel. Do you feel nervous? Hi everyone. Let me ask you something. When someone asks you, "What do you do you feel nervous? Maybe your mind goes blank. Maybe you think, "Oh no, I know my job in my language, but not in English."
Or maybe you say only one short sentence, I am worker, and then silence. Don't worry, many people feel the same.
Today, we will help you speak about your job in easy, clear English.
After this lesson, you can talk about your job for 30 seconds with confidence.
Ready? Let's start. Say your job clearly.
Ben, I will ask you a question. What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Good. That is the first step. Very simple.
Yes. When someone asks, "What do?" you can say, "I'm a," and your job.
For example, I'm a nurse. I'm a driver. I'm a cook. I'm an office worker.
Keep it simple.
But many learners stop here. Only one sentence.
Yes, that sounds too short.
So add one more sentence.
For example, I'm a teacher. I teach English.
I'm a nurse. I work in a hospital.
I'm a driver. I drive a truck.
Just one more sentence makes you sound more confident.
Now your turn. Say your job in 2 sentences.
I work at.
Say it out loud. Practice speaking.
Good job.
Sometimes your job title is not enough.
Yes, for example, I'm an assistant.
Assistant. Doing what?
So now, say what you do every day.
Use simple verbs. For example, I answer emails. I talk to customers. I clean rooms. I cook food. I fix machines.
Short sentences are good.
Let's make a full example.
I work in a hotel. I help guests. I answer phone calls. I solve problems.
You don't need big words. Use easy words. Small tip. Say, I work in a bank, not I am working in a bank, when you talk about your job in general.
Good tip.
Now, quick practice.
Do you work inside or outside? Do you work with people? What is one thing you do every day?
Answer in full sentences.
For example, I work inside. I work with people. I answer emails every day.
Very good. Now, let's talk about your daily work. Imagine someone asks, "What is your day like?"
Don't panic.
Use time words.
For example, in the morning, in the afternoon, usually, after that.
Listen to this example.
I work in an office. In the morning, I check emails. In the afternoon, I have meetings. I usually finish at 5 p.m.
Simple and clear. I work in a restaurant. In the morning, I prepare food. In the evening, I cook for customers. I finish at 10 p.m.
Very easy structure.
You can also add small details.
For example, sometimes it is very busy.
Or, sometimes I feel tired.
That makes your English more real.
Now practice. Speak for 20 seconds about your workday.
Don't stop. Use simple words.
If you don't know a word, explain it in another way.
People often ask, do you like your job?
Don't answer only yes.
Add a reason.
For example, yes, I like my job because I help people.
Or, I like my job because my coworkers are friendly.
You can also say, it's sometimes difficult, but I am learning a lot.
That sounds honest.
If you don't like your job, be polite.
Say, it's okay, Or, it's challenging, but I'm trying my best.
Now repeat after us.
I like my job because
Say your reason.
one difficult thing is
Say one problem at your job.
very good. This is real speaking practice. Now let's talk about the future.
Maybe someone asks, what do you want to do in the future?
Keep it simple.
In the future, I want to become a manager.
I want to improve my English.
I want to start my own business.
Or you can say, I am happy with my job now.
All answers are okay.
Now, final practice. Speak for 30 seconds.
Say your job.
Say what you do.
Say what you like.
And say something about your future.
Try it now.
Let's review.
I work at, in the morning I
like my job because.
in the future I want to.
These 5 sentence starters are very powerful.
Part 2. Practice with Mr. Leo English.
So now we will practice together.
Sentence 1. Say your job.
I'm a nurse.
I'm a factory worker.
I'm an office worker.
I'm a student.
Good. That's sentence 1. Sentence 2. Say where you work.
I work in a hospital.
I work in a company.
I work at a school.
I work from home. Sentence 3. Say what you do.
I help patients.
I answer emails.
I teach children.
I sell clothes. One simple sentence is enough. Sentence 4. Say if you like your job.
I like my job because I help people.
I like my job because my coworkers are friendly.
It's sometimes difficult, but I am learning a lot.
Very natural. Sentence 5. Talk about your future.
In the future, I want to become a manager.
I want to improve my English.
I want to earn more money.
I am happy with my job now. Now let's say a full example together. I'm a shop assistant. I work in a small store. I help customers and sell clothes. I like my job because I meet many people. In the future, I want to open my own shop.
That is 5 sentences. Very simple English, but very clear.
Keep it simple. Write 4 to 6 sentences about your job.
Don't worry about perfect grammar. Clear is better than perfect. If you feel shy, start small. Write only 3 sentences. That is okay.
We want to ask you something. What is the most difficult part when you talk about your job in English?
Is it vocabulary?
Is it grammar?
Or is it confidence?
Tell us in the comments.
Your answer helps us make better videos for you.
Here is a small speaking challenge.
Before you go, write your comment now.
Tell us, what is your job? What do you do every day? Do you like it? What do you want in the future?
Write your answer under this video on Mr. Leo English.
We read every comment, and sometimes we reply.
Your comment is your homework today. Thank you for learning with us.
Thank you for trusting Mr. Leo English.
Keep practicing every day.
We can't wait to read it.
Bye, everyone. See you soon on Mr. Leo English.